take a test. Gotta go take a test. Oh no. Well, if we don't have it, we might soon have it. You know what I'm saying? Well, guys, that was easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now we just wait for the results. Oh, Lord. All right, guys, we finally got moved to our new room. We are quarantined in room 5021. I'm going to take you on a little tour. All right, so we walk in. Of course, you got your key card. It opens the door and also works the power for the room. Got to have a key card in there. Now you can see as we walk in, we got a little bit of artwork right here. We got a big old mirror. Yep, that's me. Quarantined. And of course, there's a beautiful Miss Alma. She's the reason why we're quarantined.
Infectious. Look, did you show her red trash can?
I ain't got there yet, but as we come into here, right here to our left, well, the bathroom. And it gives plenty of toilet paper because I guess they want to make sure we're good to go for the next 10 days. And you see here we got the double vanity sink. They got us some hand gel, some soap. Of course, you got a hair dryer. And look at that, a red trash bag. You know, a red trash bag means infectious or something, you know. Of course, there's about this. Here's our shower. Got the, you know, the rain shower head and the removable shower head. The water pressure's been pretty good. Temperature on it's been pretty good. They got us 6 towels. Crazy. And of course, we walk on through. And of course, this room has a iron and an ironing board. Looks like we got plenty of doggone hangers for our clothes. And of course, the next side here, more hangers, and of course a safe. You know, one of them push button safe things there. And there's that jetty tub. They got us an alarm clock in here, and some tissue it looks like, and big king size bed, and plenty of room. And see, there's the toilet paper. They want to make sure we did not run out. And they got us like all this water and drinks and stuff like that. If I can just get somebody to smuggle me some vodka up here, I mean, oh Lord, that'd be a good day. The thing is, I'm running out of Cheez-Its, man. I'm running out of Cheez-Its. Of course, they didn't provide the Cheez-Its, but it is what it is. And look, here is the refrigerator. It's got drinks in it too. What'd you say? Beer? We brought that from the other room. They don't know about it because they don't allow nobody to be drinking under quarantine. It's crazy, but we're gonna be sneaky about it. Whoa! So of course, plenty of room to store all our stuff, just like the other room. And of course, plenty of room to sleep. There's the telephone. And again, there's the beautiful Miss Alma.
We don't have table and chairs out there, but right there they are.
See, I think they're trying to signal that we shouldn't be sitting outside, but that ain't gonna keep me inside. And of course, here's a table and chair.
On the thing out there, lay out in the sun.
And there's our little table and chair for outside. See if I can get out of here. How'd I do it? Oh, Lord. So here we go, here we go. Now, Raphael Vizo! Where you at, brother? See if we got a neighbor down here.
Vizo!
Raphael!
Where are y'all?
Look over your... Are you on the deck?
Come out to the edge.
Where are you?
Come
Look
on.
up,
Now
look
look
up.
up, brother.
Holy shit! What's going on?
We're in quarantine together, brother. I tell you what, maybe the hotel ain't hooking us up, but our friends sure are. They brought us some burgers and sandwiches and What do you think, babe? We've not eaten all day.
We had breakfast.
Well, we did, but I ate very little at breakfast, but I'm fixing to chow down for sure. All right, guys. So day 1 quarantine. You know, we took our test this morning, and you know, about almost as quick as we got back to the room and changed to go to the pool, you know, have a pool day, we got quarantined. So this is like from 12 p.m. to 7 p.m. now. First off, it took them 4 hours to get us moved from one room to the other. Then, we've been waiting on a menu to order dinner for over 2 hours. We done called them 3 times. No bueno. They're not doing very good. I just got off the phone. Christian says he's going to take care of it. He's going to make it happen. I guess we'll see, right? We'll see. Hey guys, can you see with this stuff floating in the bathtub? I mean, they put us in this quarantine room, and look, the tub is nasty.
And I cleaned it before I filled it.
And this is her cleaning it. It's like something come out of the jets or something. How in I guess when they throw you in quarantine, you're second-class citizens, or you no longer matter. I don't know what the deal is. Because not only do we have a dirty bathtub, but we still have not got any food. We've been in quarantine since 12, and it's after, what, 8:30? Guys, definitely no bueno. Yeah, guys, not a good one. I mean, we ordered, what we order, baby?
Baby back ribs.
Ribs.
Potato wedges.
Potato wedges.
Caesar salad.
A Caesar salad.
And crab cakes.
And crab cakes. And look what we got. Some kind of pasta dish. I think it may be crab pasta. And then this is some kind of taters, and I don't know what's all in that. I don't know. I eat some of the taters out of it. And then we didn't even order rolls, but
we didn't order any of it.
I'm just saying though, why would they send us rolls? I mean, at what point do we say we wanted bread? Now, even in Spanish.
That's my Caesar salad.
Even in Spanish, I don't think she ever said pan. Pan is bread, right? I don't understand it. But hey, guys. Hopefully tomorrow she takes that test and gets the results back quick, and it'll be good news. That's what we're hoping for sure. I gotta get off here.